So hello viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In this video I will show you that how to turn on the dark mode in your Snapchat app. So first open your phone and then click on the Snapchat app. After open the Snapchat app, click on the profile here. Click on the profile here and then click on the setting. And slowly scroll down. Click on the app appearance. And here you see the three options: match system, always light and always dark. So simply click on the always dark. And have you seen the dark mode is turned on in your Snapchat app? So make sure it's a same process for both iPhone and as well as Android. So if you like this video is informative for you, so please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.